was feeling like, God, is this how, see, oh God, this is how this life, I've not finished to do all the shakara I want to do in this life. Oh, the whole shakara in my head, I've not even started. See guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to stand or to sit down. I'm just feeling myself to be like, Kai, I've been through a lot. I'm getting better now. I have a lot. This video is about my life update, so I'm going to give you guys my life update, how my life has been going like for some months now. Yes. So guys, how are you doing? How was your weekend? Or how, like, okay, today is Wednesday. How was your weekend? Yes. So how are you doing? Hope you're fine. Okay guys, it's your girl and I'm back. Yes, I'm back for you guys. How am I looking? Do you like my hair? I'm just feeling myself. Don't mind me. I'm feeling myself. I love myself. I'm loving my life. Everything about my life, I'm loving it. Yes, it might not be perfect, but I love it. So guys, how am I looking? Like I said before, do you love my hair? Yes, I'm just feeling this hair. I'm feeling it so much. I didn't even put any necklace on today. I didn't put any accessories on. I'm just cool. Yes. So as you all know, Nigeria they carry last. So I came here to, like, how will I put it? To show off, to show myself. How am I looking? I'm looking pretty, right? Okay. So guys, the first one is a good news, and the remaining is just there, like, let's just go on. Okay, the first news is my daughter. Yes, some of you don't know I'm a mom. Yes, so my daughter just turned, she just added another
amazing.
Yes, how like it, whatever. Yes, she's 4 years old. Her birthday was on the 10th of November, and I was so happy this month. I was so happy about, I've been so happy about it. Like, that girl, I love her so much. We have been through a lot together. Like, I love her. She makes me happy. She makes life easier for me. Blah blah blah. What will I say? Like, if you're a mom, you understand what I'm saying. If you're a mother, then you understand what I'm saying. So guys, that's the first good news. Then the second life update is that guys, I've been going through a lot, like, with my skin. As in, for months I've been recording videos. Like, I keep hiding my hands. Like, you guys will know my signature. I like doing my hand like this, doing my hand like using my hand to talk all the time. Like, you understand now? You understand? So guys, I've not been able to, like, use my hand. I've been so embarrassed about my skin. Like, see, my skin is just, see, but they say when something happens, it happens for a reason. Like, I'm loving my skin now. I've been going through a lot. Like, my skin, I just woke up one morning and there was rashes all over my skin. Rashes everywhere. Like, it was so embarrassing. Then when I went to the hospital, they gave me some medicine. They said it's a reaction. Either it's a cream reaction or it's water reaction. So I changed, like, something happened to our water, so we had to, like, go to get water somewhere else. Yes, so I was saying, I told the doctor, yes, I bought water to, like, bathe, so maybe that's what caused it. Yes. So, and also, I normally, my cream normally comes from Nigeria. I use Jenny's Glow. If you're in Nigeria, you know what they call Jenny's Glow. That's what I use. So sometimes they have how will I put it? They have a distributor here. So it's not every time the distributor is to have the cream. So my cream was finished and I didn't know what to do. So I went to a pharmacy and just bought a cream, just anyhow cream. You see why it's not good to just buy anyhow cream. I just bought a cream and started applying it on my skin. And my guys, I don't just know what happened to me. Like, my skin just, I was feeling like, God, is this how, see, oh God, this is how this life, I've not finished to do all the shakara I want to do in this life. Oh, the whole shakara in my head, I've not even started. Like, right now, I don't know how to put it. Like, I felt so bad. But see guys, my hand is okay now. It's just my leg is getting better very soon. My leg, see, this morning I was taking my bath, I was looking at my feet and I was like, is this my feet? It's looking like oibo pepper. Just look at my skin now. I see my feet are coming back to normal. My skin, after the whole rashes, my skin started peeling. All my hands were, if you check my last vlog, you see my hands when I was fixing my nails. You see some rough whatever on my skin. So I've been going through a lot. Like, it has been so embarrassing. If I'm going out, if I go to the market, people will be like, what happened to your skin? What happened to your skin? Nobody understands me. I'll just be like, is water, is water, is water. I got tired, like it was so embarrassing. It hold me like this, I'll be going out, somebody will be asking me, what happened to your skin? Like, it's not good, you dress finish, and somebody will just be, your hand will just be embarrassing you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, so that's what I've been going through, and I'm happy. I thank God that at least I'm getting better now. Like, at least I can show my hands, I can do like this. Yes, I can do like this. So that's about it. Then what next? I've been so, you know, I'm a fashion person. I love fashion hauls a lot. Like, if I'm on YouTube, that's what I like watching. I'm supposed to right now I'm supposed to have done a lot of haul. Anyway, I'm just, I think, 3 to 4 months on YouTube now. I don't know if I'm up to 4 months yet. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. So I'm supposed to have done some hauls, but seriously, guys, if you're a Nigerian and you're in another country, you understand. The last haul I did, I spent up to like, I had like 60k or 60 something k if I'm not mistaken, on just buying those clothes I use. Yes, clothes here in Ghana is very expensive. So I've been waiting for when I go to Nigeria, then I will get a lot of clothes, shop a lot of clothes, because it will be easier to shop there, it will be cheaper. Guys, I love cheap things. I love fashion that is not too expensive. So that's why I've not done any haul since then. But you guys, don't worry, I'll soon do a haul. Yes, just wait for me. Trust me now. I'm going to do a haul very soon. Yes, so that's about it. What else, guys? See, this one is very important. It was supposed to be the second. First is my daughter. My daughter is very important, so I've said that one. So guys, I'm so I'm so grateful for those that watch me, that use their data to watch me. See, it's not easy to use your data to watch another person. I go through that too. So it's for you guys that take your time to like, to subscribe to my channel, to watch my video. I'm so grateful. Like, you would have used that data to watch another person, but you choose to watch your girl. So I'm so happy. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, you guys are the one keeping me going. Like, keep doing this video, keep doing this. So I'm so grateful. Thank you, guys. I'm so grateful. And I can't wait to meet you guys one-on-one one day. See, you don't understand. I'm so grateful. Like, as in, we just continue like supporting me. We know where we will go. I'm not stopping now. So guys, just keep supporting me, whether you're 50, 60, 20 something. Just continue wherever you are watching me now. Just keep supporting me, because I'm not backing out now. I'm not stopping now. So guys, please continue to watch me, and don't think I take it for granted. I am so grateful for everybody that use their data to watch me, share my videos, like my videos. I'm so grateful. Thank you, guys. What else? I love you guys. That's the best thing. I love you guys, and I wish you guys all the best. And also I just came here like to give you a live update about what has been happening around me. Like, I have been going through a lot. On my skin, yes, but at least I'm getting, like I said, see my skin now is looking fresh. My hands, it's just my leg is it will soon be okay. Like, it's peeling, but it will soon be okay. But at least I can use socks to cover down, not your hand. You can't be using, as a girl like me, you can't be using hand glove up and down, and you understand now. So guys, that's all. I think that's all. That's just the life updates I have. Okay, my daughter has gone to school. Yes, so I'm just at home. Basically just at home, guys. Okay, yes, I've not finished. Like, I have something that I think is been, I don't know, how do you guys cope? I don't know if it's just me. How do you guys cope when you like travel, like those that don't live in Nigeria, when you travel to another country? How did you cope? I'm finding it so hard to cope in a new country. I don't know how to put it. I feel, see, let me tell you how I feel. Sometimes I feel like in fact, all the time, I feel like I'm in a forest and I'm just somewhere and I don't know what is happening around me. Do you know what? I don't go out. See, the only places I go to, see, it's going to change. Please, if you are hearing me now, you are in Ghana, please, I'm up for going out. If you want to take me out, I'm up for going out. Just just message your girl. Go to Instagram, just message me. I want to go out. Like, I'm tired of staying indoors. So if you can take me out, please, I am ready. I am down. I'm not doing anything, no. Like, I just want to know places, because I feel so bored. I feel like I don't know. See, you don't understand. I don't know if it has happened to you, if you have gone to somewhere new before. Like, all my life I've lived in Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, so I've lived in Nigeria. I know everywhere around. I can go out, even to like so many things. I just find it difficult to like adapt to this country or a new country. I don't know how it is for you, or if you've ever felt this the way I'm feeling now. So that's just my life update. Like, even finding something to do. Yes, finding something to do when you don't even know where you are, or you don't just know around. You find it hard to even find what to do. Do you understand what I mean? Yes. So that's just about it. Like, I had even in this, I had in this place that even to start up a business is something else. Like, I've been asking around. Like, I heard that the taxis here, everybody, the shop owners, the business owners, everybody's just complaining that they use a lot of, they tax them a lot here, that they use tax to run their businesses down. So the whole thing is just, guys, yeah, I just want you to like understand me. That's the way I feel. I've not adapted fully. I think it should be like 6 or 7 months now I've spent in this country. Yes, 6 or 7 months. Yes, but I've not yet adapted. It's not easy for me. It's not easy for me at all. I'm serious. Like, I'm always indoors every day. Let me tell you where I go to. I go to the church. I go to the market. That's just about it. And to the salon. That's all. I don't know any other place in this country again. So you can understand what I mean. So guys, that's about it. I just say I should on my camera and give you a life update about myself, so that you know that my life is not that perfect. I go through a lot too. So, and you guys are going see whatever how will I put it, whatever happens or in my life, time to time, I'm going to tell you guys about it. So that's about it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. See you.